This is my 45,000 watt diesel generator. Comes complete with a John Deere diesel engine with a turbocharger and the generator. That will be our control panel. And this side is the other side of the engine, which you can't see because it's dark. Some of the connectors. And we will give it a start. First we can turn the battery on. And we will go to here and we will put it in manual, which will make it start. And it is currently on low idle. It is relatively quiet. We will now turn it to generate power. So it's at 1,000 RPM. So we'll go to 1,800. There you have it. As hot as it gets. So you can still talk over it, and it's not too loud. So we will eventually take down that little shed and probably stick it right there, not on the trailer. We may make it temporary or permanent. I haven't decided yet.